Hi, my name is Stephanie Brown, and I am a current student of the Johns Hopkins Environmental Science and Policy program. As my last semester, I decided to take the Applied Leadership Practicum course. My project for the course initially focused on conservation landscaping near historic Ellicott City, Maryland. Historic Ellicott City is a suburb outside of Baltimore, Maryland, which has experienced two 1,000-year flood events taking place in 2016 and 2018. One reason for these floods is its geographic location, as it sits at the base of three tributaries which converge into the Patapsco River. There has been a lot of residential development along these tributaries recently, which has also contributed to an increase of these flash floods. After researching ideas for the practicum course, I developed a plan to develop conservation landscapes within the watershed surrounding city. So what are conservation landscapes? They are gardens that are designed to improve water quality, promote and preserve native species, and provide a habitat for wildlife. A majority are also designed to diminish impacts from flooding in a cost-efficient manner. In this case, bioswales can be a simpler alternative to heavy construction that major stormwater rehabilitation plans entail. When designing a conservation landscape, the rainfall, slope, amount of sunlight, and soil conditions of the desired area are all factors that need to be considered. Then it's the fun part, to choose the native plant varieties that offer the most benefits to your property and ecosystem. To earn more green points, rain barrels can be used as a more sustainable method to water the plants during a dry period. During this process, I learned that there are plans already in place for this type of project in Ellicott City, which is fantastic. However, some unforeseen roadblocks leading up to now a global pandemic has placed any plans I had for this project on hold. But maybe a benefit of this hold is that it has allowed me to take a step back and analyze my progress thus far. Although I do graduate in May, I will continue to be committed to work with Ellicott City and my surrounding communities to encourage conservation landscape for the reasons I described earlier. As our friend Albert Einstein once said, keep on sowing your seed, for you never know which will grow. Perhaps it all will. I hope so. Here's a link to learn more about conservation landscapes. Thank you for listening. Stay safe, and peace to you.